Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shiri here, and in this video I would like us to unbox my platinum juicer from Checkers with me. I've been looking for a good juicer that I can use because I want my family to drink fresh juice. I know there are a few brands that do processed fruit juice that it's written on it that zero preservatives, but I just want to be more careful with my kids, so I want them to drink natural juice from the fruits that we have. So I got this juicer. I checked how it's used on from social media, so I saw other people unboxing and putting it together, so I had to read this booklet together with my husband. He helped me so much this day, and together we could pull it up. This is him helping me to assemble it, and that is just the cup where the juice will come into. And also with the help of those videos as we research, and we could put it together. So this is time to wash it. You have to wash all the compartments properly, and a very important step, and then reassemble it again. When I purchase an item, I always try to, especially all these appliances, I try to follow the booklet. But then recently videos have been really helpful. If anytime I don't know how to do a thing, I just go straight to YouTube, and then I just quickly search how someone is doing it, and I always get solutions from there. Like, social media has been really helpful to us. I don't know if it's just to me, but it can't be to us all. So I bought some fruits to try the machine with different types of fruits, just for a first time trial. This is Najis. I just had to try it, and it came out so well. The next fruit is mangoes. This is me trying to juice it, and soft fruits like this come out real quickly. This machine is just like it has super sharp blades. Just blends the whole thing real quickly, and you have your juice. I also juiced pineapples. That's one of my favorites, and I really loved the juice. It was so good. The olive fruit that the juice, I don't know if I had to filter it or what. It was apples. Apple juice actually came out, but then set it under the container, and then you have to, and then there were a lot of crumbs, tiny crumbs on top. So I don't know if I had to maybe save it or what. But then apart from that, all the fruits came out so well. So yeah, this is the apple. You can actually see how red it is under, but then I have to shake it, and just like that, the juice is ready, and the first try came out so well.